Yo, what's up fam, and welcome to the channel. Today I want to start a new conversation. You kind of already know what my mobile studio workflow is like on the iPad, but today I want to start talking about my micro mobile studio setup with my iPhone. Got a text message? Today I'm going to show you some accessories you might need for your phone, some of the accessories that I use to make beats on my phone, as well as some apps that I go through to start making beats and getting some ideas out there. And if I get enough requests in the comment section, then I'll definitely drop a video tutorial on how to make beats, better beats on your iPhone, showing my workflow on screen and with the applications that I use. All the products that I mentioned in this video will be listed in the description below, or you can just go to mykit.com, and that's kit.com/BrandonRico. I'm gonna throw that in the description too. So this is my micro mobile studio setup and what's on my iPhone early 2019. Let's go. So the first accessory that I want to talk about is the Audio-Technica InEar Monitors, and these are the ATH E40s. I'm gonna try not to make this video a full review on each of these products, so if you want me to review these products individually on their own separate videos, just drop me a comment in the sections below on which one you want to see reviewed. These in-ear monitors are more commonly found in a traveling musician's backpack. I would say that these are essential to any traveling musician or traveling producer. If you want to have a really crisp, clear audio source. They come in this really sturdy black case, and the drivers on here are phenomenal. They are small and compact, so this case can fit in your pocket if it needs to. These are definitely a must-have for your audio listening experience with your iPhone. And of course, it is a regular 35mm headphone jack. So if you happen to have like one of the newer iPhones that don't have the audio jack, then of course you'll need this dongle here. You'll need this adapter, the lightning to aux input. So that's definitely a must-have for your micro mobile studio kit. The next accessory that I want to talk about is for sure a must-have, especially for us mobile producers and songwriters. This is the Shure MV88 microphone. It's a small condenser microphone, also comes in a really thick hard shell carrying case. And most of the items that I'm going to talk about here I already mentioned in my what's in my bag everyday carry bag back in November. So if you haven't checked that out, you can go ahead and check that out. It connects to your iPhone via lightning port, so it essentially just connects like this. The only thing about this, in some cases you may have to take the case off to get your iPhone to fit with it properly, but it pretty much plugs into your iPhone just like this, and you have a professional condenser microphone for your iPhone. I usually use this for audio samples, like when I'm sampling on the go, and like some quick voice notes, or even like some vocal samples for when I'm not in the studio, when I can grab my condenser mics at the studio. This is like full professional grade microphone, and it also includes its own free app. Again, I'm not going to go into detail about like, review or anything like that, not in this video. So if you want me to review that, let me know in the comments. That is the Shure MV88. So we got our headphones, we got our microphone, we got our headphone adapter. And next I want to talk about the controller that I use, the MIDI controller that I use when I'm on the go using my iPhone, the most minimalistic controller that I have. And yep, you guessed it, the Roly LightPad block. This thing fits in my pocket and I can carry it pretty much anywhere. It's about the same size as my phone, and carrying this is just seamless. It connects via Bluetooth, and I actually have another video talking about why you would need that for your workflow. I'm gonna link that in the description, or just throw that up in one of the cards over here somewhere. And last but not least, especially not least, this is essential to this setup or any mobile setup, is the RAVPower File Hub Plus. The name of this device actually speaks for itself. This is a wireless file hub where you can plug your devices into this, your external hard drives, your thumb drives, because we can't plug any thumb drives or hard drives directly into the phones or even using the camera kit, this is a wireless solution to getting files back and forth to your iPhone and your iPads. And this has a built-in battery. I believe it's like 6,700 milliamps hours. This features a SD card slot to where you can put your SD cards in here and you can read your files off of this via Wi-Fi. From this through Wi-Fi to your phone or your tablet. It also has a USB port in here, and you can access files through through a USB drive, as well as powering some external hard drives. And it also features an Ethernet port, so that if you don't have wireless internet, that you can access wireless internet tapping into this and just plugging the Ethernet port into this device. And when you access this through Wi-Fi, you now have a wireless network. So if you want me to do a full review on this powerhouse right here, let me know it in the comments, and I'll try to get you guys that review on all the possibilities that you can do with this thing right here. This is a must-have for iOS or mobile producers, period. RAVPower File Hub Plus. And now we're going to talk about some of the apps that are on my iPhone, some of the apps that I use to start making beats or getting my ideas going when I don't have access to all the other things. And I'm going to throw the screen up right here so you guys can see what I'm going through. So I have all my apps set up in the creative folder, and within this creative folder you can see that I have a Rolly Noise app, the Bloxwave app, Audio Share, the Motive Audio app for my Shure MV88. I have the DJI app for some cameras that I use. I have Orfiano, which is a phone version of the app that I talked about in another video. It's a phone version of another cool creative app that I use to get some ideas out. I have Audio Bus, Fly Tape, Reason Compact, Poison 202, Circle of Fifths, Audio Effects, Chord Polypath for the phone, IMPC Pro 2, Xeon, Synth 1, and lastly and most recently, I downloaded the updated version of Chord Gadget. This is Chord Gadget 2, so I now have that on my iPhone to start getting some ideas out and making some beats on the go. So again, if you guys want to see my workflow and how I start making beats on my iPhone, just let me know in the comments, and I will do a full walkthrough and step-by-step on how I make beats and get ideas started doing full sessions using my iPhone and all of these accessories. Once again, this has been your boy Brandon Rico. Thanks for rocking with me. Thanks for rocking with the channel. And remember, if I can create like this, you can create like this. And if you are new to the channel, this is the type of stuff that I cover every week. Tips and tricks on how to improve your workflow when you're making beats on the go, and how to make beats on your mobile devices. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and look out for the next video coming up real soon. I got a feeling that a lot of you guys want to see how I make these beats on my iPhone. So, all right, peace.